My drink. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys how to make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow, join that Discord link in the bio, and get a ton of information and knowledge. And it's a great place, as always, to hang out and learn more without having to pay anything. And we're in a trade, you guys, with EURUSD right now in a long position. We are always using risk management. We're doing our trades using those stop losses and take profit as well. Always about risk management, only using 1% of our account when we are trading. Again, just doing little short trades here, doing like 100 points up, 100 points down. Again, just using short trades, doing Forex right now as well. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit that link in my bio, give me a follow, join that Discord. We're trying to grow that community. We're around 78 members right now, trying to get to 100 this year. Again, I come on here every day just to teach people how to use risk management, especially when they're just starting out, so that they don't blow their accounts. A lot of mistakes that I see a lot of new guys making is they just risk too much when they are trading, and they just end up blowing their account because they don't know what they're doing. And then they lack consistency with their trading as well. That's another really big one. They're always looking for the newest indicator that comes out or whatever, but using consistency with the same strategy for a while is exactly what is needed as well. And then they trade with emotion, so using that stop loss and take profit really plays a big part in protecting your capital, because at the end of the day, that's exactly what we're trying to do. And then they just trade out of boredom, so it's really advisable as well to be looking for some good movement in the market when you're trading also. All right, let's see. Nicholas Harbor, what's going on? Neil, Showboys, Omar, Forex Addict. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my live. So we're in a trade right now with EURUSD. Again, welcome everyone who's joining. If you have any questions, please give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Hey Jay, what's going on? Malon and Birdman, what is happening? So part of my trading strategy as well is we use the range bars up here. Again, these have cryptos, they have stocks, forex, and indices. So there's all sorts of stuff that you can trade with here as well. So like I say, you got BTC, LTC, you got Ethereum and XRPs. You got the Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell, NASDAQ. You have oil and gold, which I trade too. And then stocks, we have 6 different stocks and 6 different forex. These are all in the link in my bio, and you can check that out for free as well. It doesn't cost anything. It just takes your email to sign up. All right, so we are trading EURUSD right now, which is here in the corner. So when you're using the range bars, you're just looking for a reversal, going from like red up to green. Again, these take out all the noise out of the market. It's like you're seeing here, all this up, down, up, down, up, down. It gets rid of that, makes it nice and clean, nice linear movements. So again, you're just looking to catch it when it's flipping. Again, you can see all that. If you go to the link in my bio and go to the Discord, I have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use these. So you can definitely check those out there. Like I said, the Discord is free as well. And so again, I'm using like the RSI, right? So when you're using RSI, you're looking for 30, the 30 point, which you can't see that, the 30 point or the 70. If it's at 30, then it's overbought. If it's at 70, then it's, if it's on 70, it's overbought. If it's at 30, it's oversold. And so you want to catch that reversal with it. And then you match that up with what the PSAR, parabolic SAR. If the dots or stars are on the bottom, then it means that we are trending up. If they're on the top, then we are trending down. And then with the range bars, you want to be going the same direction as well. So like EURUSD right now is saying that we are in a long position. So I had bought in here just a little bit ago to catch this in a long ride. So we're still working on clearing that spread. So we're down profit just a little bit, but we should be coming up out of that here shortly. Again, we're only doing like 50 point to 100 point trades anytime we're trading. So Pamela Saudi, what's going on? And our Timo Perez, welcome to my live. All right, and then we're using the RSI as well. Like I said, you're looking for the 30 or 70 marker, right? Just above 50 right now, with the heading up, saying that we're going in that long position. And again, we have the PSAR saying that we're heading in the long position as well. And then we're using the range bars here. So again, we're just looking for short trades. Again, we're only using a 5-minute time frame, which I'm on an hour for some reason. I don't know why I'm on there. Okay. So we're still have the PSAR here on the bottom. And again, we are continuing up. I just bought in just a little bit ago here, right where the arrow is at. So again, we'll see how that goes. All right. Hey Ken, what is going on? Welcome to my live. So we're in a trade right now with EUR USD in that long position. Again, with risk management, it's always important to remember that trading is all about risk management. Way we manage our risk is by making sure we're always risking less than 1% of our balance. I have 27,000 here, but again, I'm only trading with 1%. I'm protecting my account. I'm treating it like a business, right? Just like businesses do, banks do. They don't risk all the capital that they have in any kind of investment that they're doing. They're very, very careful with the money, and that's exactly what we do here as well. So if you're going to trade smartly. Use your head, right? Don't trade with emotions. Be critical about it, and that's why we have the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bar. So having indicators really makes a big difference in that as well. So see how this, we'll see how EUR USD.
Trade down now, BTC USD.
So trade down now on BTC USD. Like I was saying, these also give a audio signal as well. So for BTC USD, so you said trade down now. So we got that reversal after that long range, nice clean line, and then this is saying to trade down right now. So that is just one of the indicators that I use. Again, these only move off points and not time. So they're not like all these, they have to change every 5 minutes. The range bars only move when the market is moving. Hey, Bo Adia, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're currently in a trade with EUR USD right now. Again, using the range bars, and these only move off points, not time. Each bar is worth about 20 to 50 points, depending on what you're trading with. But like I said, we're using EUR USD right now. And we are in a long position. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. Again, you can join the link in my bio as well. You can always join the Discord. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of information in there as well. Hey, Pumpkin Rats, what's going on? Jocelyn Harrison. Jocelyn, are you in here? Is that who I think it is? Sure is. Is she still here? Maybe she is. If you are, welcome to my live. It's crazy. Again, we're just in a trade right now with EUR USD. Again, in a long position, seeing what's going on. So see if we can catch any other kind of trades right now while that is going. Nice part about having the stop loss and take profit in place is we always know if we're going to hit take profit or hit our stop loss, it automatically does it for us. I don't have to be sitting here holding a button and even watching it. I can jump onto other trades and go do other stuff and not being concerned with it. So I can have a couple different trades going while we're doing this. So let's see, we can go to gold.
Trade down now, ETH USD. Trade down now.
Trade down now on ETH USD. So that's saying we're going in a down position. Let's see, gold right now, 5 minute time frame. It was trending up, had this pullback for just a little bit, so it's still got more push saying that we're moving up. Let's go to the 1 hour. And again, same thing. So we're in this trend. The 20 SMA is underneath of the candle saying that we're moving up. The PSAR is on the bottom saying we're moving up. The RSI is above the 50 with a little bit heading down. But that could easily continue up as it had quite a pullback here. So again, we're only using that 5 minute time frame. We're not making huge trades. So that could really work out in our favor. So we'll see if this will break above like 2024. Have some upper movement. 'Cause like again on the 5-minute time frame, it's starting to head down towards the 50. So we're gonna have to see what that does, for sure. Definitely pulling back does make a difference as well. Hey, Pumpkin Rats, thank you very much for those likes. I really do appreciate that a lot. That does help out my algorithm with TikTok. So again, when we're doing when we're in trades, we're just doing a 1-to-1 ratio. So it's like 50 to 100 points up and 50 to 100 points down. Trade down now, GBP USD. Again, those are the range bar audio signal that you get. Again, these are free too. They don't cost anything to use. They're just on my streaming service. Again, you can get them from going to the link in my bio, or you can check them out by going to futurecapitaltrading.net. It just takes an email to sign up. So again, like I always say, it's always important to remember that trading is all about risk management. That's what you're trying to do, is protect your capital and then making some money. And how we do is that we always use just like 1% or less of our account when we're trading. Like I said, I'm only trading about with EUR USD is like 0.95, so it's just under 1%, and that's per trade. So I have 27,000 account, but I'm only trading less than 1% of my balance per trade. So again, I'm always protecting my capital all the time. Hey Miguel, what is going on? Poof233, welcome to my live. So we're currently in trade with EUR USD right now. We have that stop loss and take profit in place. So I do come live just because I want to be to learn from other people as well, just by having discussions and then being very consistent. And now I'm doing really well, like I have been, with using this strategy. And I want to be able to share the knowledge with other people, and be able to help them out. It's cool to see other people progressing. Maybe they don't want to work their 9 to 5 anymore, and they're looking for something that they can do from home. If you have a laptop and the internet, you can do all this from home. I mean, it's a lot better than working for somebody else. So it's also really important to understand that anyone who really wants to make it trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000 if they wanted to do this full time. Because you're only using that 1%, right? So you have to really protect your capital. It takes a certain amount, so you'd have to make every day to live on to replace that income. But for those just starting out and trying to learn, not everybody has 10 to 50,000, and I get that. So I always say then use 1 to 5,000. Again, only trade with 1%, and just trade like with pennies or $1 or so worth of your capital and get good at it. And you'll build it up over time that way as well. Yeah. So I'm like losing my words. Anyway, yeah. So it's a good way to start out for sure. And you can just grow it from there. So, and that's what I did. I started out small, and then I just kind of worked my way up. And been going ever since. So. Again, if you guys want to give me a follow, again, if you have any questions and you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Hey, Mr. Peabody, what's going on tonight? Andrea B. Borola, how's it going? Again, we're in a trade right now with EUR USD in a long position here. We'll see how it goes. And then we're watching gold. I wanted to see if this is going to continue up, but it's starting to flatten out. So I'm not going to touch that unless we get some movement. Like I said, don't trade just to trade. Look when you see something that's going to tell you what's going on. But right now, this is starting to kind of round out. So it may end up dropping down again as we're sitting here at this support line right now. And that's a really big factor of what it could do on this side. So again, when we're watching it, and just because it did it here doesn't mean it will here. The market changes every second of every day. So the traders that were here aren't over here. So you don't know what volume is going to kick in or what. So indicators help, but at the end of the day, you can only just go off of what's happening right now. And like I said, it's all about protecting your capital at the end of the day. That's what you're really trying to do, and then making some extra money. So again, I always advise, like I said, just using that 1% of your account anytime that you're trading. And I always want to emphasize too that I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. Like I said, I'm just trying to grow my Discord in the community. So make sure you give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. So we're like at 78 people, I think just about 80 now. Trying to get to 100. That's just the goal for 2024. I really hope we will surpass that. But I just wanted to have a community that everybody can come into, have a place to talk about cryptos and stocks and all that. Because like friends and family usually don't care anything about stocks and cryptos and stuff. They don't understand it. You really have to be in it to get it. So I wanted to have somewhere where people can come and learn about it. So again, all that is in the link in my bio. Hey Greg King, what is going on? David Art King, welcome. And JC209 Bullies, welcome to my live, you guys. And so we're in a trade with EURUSD right now in a long position. We'll see how that plays out. And then I'm watching gold right now as well. It's not doing a whole lot of movement at this point in time, but we'll see if it breaks over this last high here, this most recent high, which is getting close to like 2024. So it is coming up. So I may end up jumping into that. I wanted to really watch what the RSI was doing. It's turning back above the 50. This is coming up. And then we'll watch the range bars. Again, these range bars only move when the market is moving. And make sure that is live. And if you use these range bars, make sure you click that live button and then also have your sound on, because there's an audio signal as well that comes on. So a lot of people want to call these Renko bars. These are not Renko bars. These are range bars. They don't move off of time. They only move off of points. And that's the biggest difference between the two. So don't get those two confused. There's some people come on and say, hey, those are Renko bars. All right, let's see here. So we had that downtrend with gold. We had that green bar saying that we're heading up. We'll see what this next one does, because it may end up just trending sideways. Like I said, it's kind of what it looks like it's doing right now. DJ Willie, what is going on? Welcome to my live. And always, you want to treat trading like a business, right? And you just have to be really consistent, just like a business does. They have to make consistent business coming in the door in order to make profit, so they can not have to shut the doors. Well, this is the same thing. You have to be consistent at it. You can't just willy-nilly, and go FOMO, right? And go all in. This takes time and dedication. And you have to work at it daily, and you'll get better at it. I've been trading for 3 years, and it has taken time to really learn to control my emotions, to look at what the actual trade is doing, and then protecting it by, again, I always use that 1% of my account, and I make smaller gains over time. And it's the consistency that's winning here. So, again, the range bars have a 61% win rate. Right, some guys are claiming 99%, 100% win rates, but I haven't seen that yet, especially not on a consistent basis. Anybody can win big, like, going to the casino or whatever, but you can't do that consistently over time. So having a good strategy is really what it's all about. Again, that's why I use the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars. So it looks like XAU USD here is breaking that 2024 here. We're getting another green bar. So we'll see if this ends up breaking, because it hasn't quite yet. It's close, but not quite yet. So we'll see what that does. And we are in a trade still with EURUSD in that long position. So again, we'll see how that ends up playing out. And you really do want to try and catch the markets, like at the beginning, right before market open. Like an hour to half hour is a really good time to get into trades as well. So that's when you can get some really fast movements, to where 50 to 100 points is like a flash. That can happen really, really fast. It doesn't go as long as this is right now. Definitely moves a lot faster. I couldn't get on this morning though. I had a lot of other stuff going on. James Cocker says, be careful with EU. There's a drop coming. Well, and like I have said, that's why I have a stop loss and take profit in place. So I already know the potential, what I could lose, right? And then what I can win. All right, so let's go to, we're in profit right now. So we're in profit with EURUSD. Oh, we were. So it was breaking up above here, my entry point, and so we'll see if that will continue up. Again, just trying to get up here. Where's my take profit to 1.09007. We'll see if it will reach that tonight. You've been in a short for 2 days now. Jeez. Let's see. I pull back on that. If I go like to the hour on EURUSD, yeah. So in a longer term here, it's been trending down. You're right.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
And we were under.
On BTC.
Yeah, we were back and forth under the PSAR, or the 20 SMA. Excuse me. But we just broke above the 20 SMA here on the 1 hour. PSARs are now on the bottom on the 1 hour as well. The RSI is moving up too, so that's kind of telling me that we're trying to trend up. But we'll see here. It's got to break these high. Right where I'm at is we have that support line right here, so we're gonna have to see if it will break that. And we'll see how that plays out, right? So again, that's why I have that stop loss in place just in case. Let's see. I can go to the daily. I don't ever play that far out because I could do like 20 trades in a daily. Yeah, so that is downtrending in a daily for sure. We're under the 50, the 20 SMAs on top, PSARs on top, saying that, yeah, we're shorting for sure. So it could easily drop out. But again, that's a daily time frame.
Trade down now. ETH USD.
Yeah, I'm sure.
On ETH USD.
Yeah, weekly sell stop. So even on that, see on the weekly, we're on top right now. RSI is looking like it's heading down though, so yeah, that could really go either way right now. It's definitely been trending sideways here on the weekly, so be curious how this plays. Hey, there's stuff in the dishwasher's clean. All right, so let's see. All right, PSR, what is that? Hey Ken, what's going on? So the PSAR is parabolic. SAR is the actual terminology for it. It's just to let you know which way the market is actually trending during that time frame. So like right now, for the 5-minute time frame, they're on the bottom, which means that we're moving up, right? And if they're on top, that means that we're moving down. So we pair that with the RSI, make sure we're above the 50 on the RSI, and we're headed in the up direction, saying that we're moving up. And then the PSAR is confirming that as well, saying that we're going the same direction. And then I use the range bars as well, saying that we are continuing up also. Again, I'm only trading on a 5-minute time frame. I don't do the dailies, the weeklies. That's too long for the way that I trade. And so like right now for the 5-minute, we've been continuing up here with EURUSD. It's kind of fluctuating on this last bar right now, but we'll see how that plays out. Because it could reverse, but again, that's why I have the that's why I have my stop loss in place. Hey, Bobby Daniels, do you have a Discord server and the link to download TradeXN? Yeah, Bobby Dillon, it's all in the link in my bio. You can definitely go to the Discord. Again, that's Future Capital Trading is the Discord. It's in the link in my bio. And then TradeXN is in the link in my bio as well. And please use that link if you decide to. It does help me out. I do get commission from TradeXN for anybody that decides to join that that server. So, and the server has no trading fees and low spreads as well. So that's why I use them. And they have crypto stocks, forex, and indices. It's not futures or options, but it's derivative trading. So that just means you can trade up going up or trade going down. So you make money going both ways. Ken, so you pair, my gosh, can't talk. The PSAR with what again? So I pair it with the RSI, right? So with the RSI, you want it either around the 30 point or the 70 point. It's kind of hard how the RSI works. And so if I see it above the 50 heading towards the 70, it means that we're heading up. And then so I pair that with the PSAR, the parabolic SAR, saying that if the dots are on the bottom, then we're heading up. And I want to be above the 50 on the RSI in the up direction. And then we're using the range bars with that too, right here, saying that we're green, so we're heading up. So it's all those together is what I use. A little bit. So that's how I do my strategy personally. And then always make sure too, like that you pull back on your trades. Okay, don't always keep it so close like this. Pull back before you make a trade and look at it and say, okay, what is it actually doing a little bit farther back? Because you had this downtrend here and it came way back up, came back down, and it's moving back up again. And when you come across, there's a support line right here that it's hitting right now. So it's got to break that and try to come back up into here. But that's where I have my take profit, because we've hit here before recently. And I'm hoping that we're going to come back up to that range again. But I always pull back enough that I can see what it did already. If you're too close like that, you can't see what's happening. And that's like with things in life too. Sometimes you're just too close to it and you need to step back and take a view from the back. So we are we're in profit right now with EURUSD. Welcome you guys. If you're in a trade with EURUSD, we're in profit. So congratulations. We'll see if we end up making our goal. Again, just looking for like 50 to 100 point trades when we're doing this. So Jeff McFarland, hey, thank you very much for the follow. Do appreciate that. And Ken said, I never heard of the range bars. I am pretty new to futures. Ken, this is not futures and this is not options. This is derivative trading, right? So there's a big difference like between futures and options and derivative trading. It's not the same thing, just so you don't get confused. If you don't know the difference, I would definitely look those up. So like for just, so like options, right? When you're trading options, it says like, well, you own like 100 shares of any stock. So like if it's Tesla, right? Tesla. So like for Tesla, in order to have options, you have to own 100 shares of Tesla. And then you can decide which way it's going off of that. And you make money off of those shares if it goes in the direction that you said it does. Bobby Daniels. So you have to have a VPN, right? So I use a Proton VPN because it's an offshore broker. So you have to use right. So you have to use a VPN, which is Proton VPN. It's free to use. It doesn't cost anything. You have Netherlands and Japan for free. So you can use those. It doesn't cost anything. Anything other than that, though, you have to pay for their monthly subscription. But that's what I use. So get the VPN up and running, and then you can download TradeXN. I mean, I hate that it's that way. And then I always send money onto it from like Coinbase or Crypto.com, and you just send it like USDC. Is the best way to do it. You can always do it with a credit card, but their fees are high. So I would really advise, I would definitely advise using USDC, honestly. So I mean, you can send Bitcoin if you want, but I would say just use USDC. It's the easiest. Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, get that get your VPN up, and then you can download TradeXN.
Trade up now on
Or you can use it. You can use it on the server or on the internet link as well. So you don't have to download it to your computer. I have it downloaded, but some people are sketchy about that. So you can just use it off the server itself if you want to. But I've never had any issues with it. I've been trading with them for like over 2 years now, and they've been really great. Again, they have no trading fees and low spreads. And again, you can trade crypto, stocks, forex, and indices on here as well. So that's why I use them, because I have a lot of different options. So even on the weekend, I can trade crypto. Bobby Daniel said you already have it. No, that's cool. Yeah, so if you have any issues, let me know. And then again, you can always get a hold of support at tradexn.com is the name of the broker. As well, they always get back with me within like 24 hours. And then if you check out the Discord as well, I have a whole bunch of training videos on how to set all this stuff up. I made it as simple as I possibly can. Skyward, is this an AI algorithm trading? How much per month? So this isn't an algorithm, and it doesn't cost. This up here is the range bars. It doesn't cost anything. They're free to use. There's so much knowledge and information out there. This is the information age, right? So I don't charge for anything. It's all free. Everything I found how to do has been free on the internet, from fixing my cards, fixing the house, doing all that stuff. I'm just trying to help people out. And I say that because I've been burned in the past, and I don't want that to happen to somebody else. So I'm just teaching people how to do this stuff, without always having to pay everybody. I know people got to make money to eat, but it's like I already work. I already have a job. And then I do this on the side as well. And I've made a place where everybody can go in the Discord. Again, that is free as well. Hold on, what is Bobby saying? I can't join your server because I need your link, though. I'm trying to help you get that commission. Okay, hold on a second. Let me go to... let me go to Linktree. Hold on. You shouldn't have an issue with that. Hold on one sec, bro. Alright. So we are in here. Come on. Come up. TradeXN. I don't know how I could... Yeah, because that number's like super long. I wonder why that's not working for you. Yeah, I don't think I have a better way to... Let's see. Let me, yeah, I know what I'll do. Hold on.
Trade up now on ETH USD. Trade up now ETH USD.
Let's see. Let's do... Oops. Hey Bobby, what you could do as well, you can always join my Discord. I believe I have... I thought I had a link in there for that. I should. But I don't know if I actually have a link. It's really weird. I don't have a link for that. I should have. I'm going to have to definitely fix that. What you could do is go to my link, though, and then I will get it for you here in just a little while. Could send REX, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see what I can do real quick. Yeah, definitely for now, join the Discord link in my bio. and then we'll go from there. I've had other people join up, haven't had a problem with that link. I wonder why you're having problems. Let's see. Let's see if this will come up. Okay, here. Here, this might work. Here, try this out. Oops. If you can see that, there's the link. Maybe write that down or screenshot it or something, right? tr.ee/UV capital OTCIT3CG. And then that should work. So try that, see if that will work. I do apologize that you're having an issue. If that doesn't work, what I'm going to do after this is I'll go back and I'll make a new link or whatever for it, I guess, because maybe it's having an issue. All right, so let's see. All right. Yeah, hopefully that works for you. Just Jay, not Jay. Welcome to my live, you guys. Again, thank you very much for the follows. Really do appreciate that, and all the likes. Definitely helps out the algorithm as well. To anybody who's just joining, welcome to my live. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of trading information in there anyway. It's all good, but we're looking for someone who was trading on this platform. Yeah, so I said, I've been trading with them for 2 years now, and I haven't had any kind of issues with them. Their support's great. They always get back with me all the time. So, hey, Rob, and what's going on? Again, welcome to my live. All right. So we're trading EUR USD right now. Again, we're trading on TradeXN. It's the name of the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. Can't talk tonight. And then we're using the range bars up here as well. Like I said, these are free to use. They don't cost anything. They're just off my streaming service, futurecapitaltrading.net, or you can just go to the link in my bio and you can get it there as well. Like I said, I'm just trying to grow my Discord. We're about 78 guys right now, trying to get to 100 for 2024. Again, there's nothing in there that costs anything. Everything is free. I'm not selling anything. No courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I just do all this to trade. I'm already here trading, so I might as well talk to people and teach them how to do this as well. So if you want to follow along, it's absolutely cool. And I like having people to talk to in the Discord. You know, when you share information, this is the information age. So the more that you can share information, the more that you're actually going to learn. Everything I've learned online has really benefited me. From fixing my house to fixing my cars to learning how to trade. It's all online, and I'm able to find it for free. So you guys can use all that kind of information as well. So
Trade up now.
like I said, I've been doing pretty well at this for quite a while. And please, use my referral code for TradeXN, as it gives a commission for me. And you guys are learning how to do this for free as well. And like I said, I have a whole bunch of training videos in the Discord on how to do all this stuff as well. So like I said, it's a win-win scenario for you and for me. I get a commission, and then you guys get to learn how to trade. Again, it's crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So there's a lot of stuff to do. A lot of people don't know the difference between like investors and traders, right? So traders, we can trade with the market going up, and we can trade with the market going down. If you're an investor, then you're putting money in the market on a certain crypto or a stock and hoping that it goes up to make money. But trading, as a trader, you can make money going no matter which way the market goes. So I don't care if the market's red, and I'll just ride the market down and make money going that way. And then as traders, we also have leverage. So I do use leverage as well, which is 100 points leverage. On TradeXN, you can go up to 500. But I only trade with 100. Again, just using that stop loss, take profit. Let me turn this down. It's too loud. I feel like I'm yelling over my own audio. So again, it's just about protecting your capital at the end of the day. Let's see what. So like I was saying, see, the gold decided to go sideways. I wasn't sure what it was going to do. That's what I waited to see if it was going to break this 2024 number, and it didn't. So now we're waiting. All right, hey Skyward. So leverage is it's basically like if you had $1,000, it treats your account like you have $100,000. So it allows you to trade with more with less. Hopefully that makes a sense to you. But it increases your risk reward because of that leverage. So you have to be careful with it, right? Because over leveraging, then it's like really more than you have, and you could end up burning your account. So that's only use 100. You just have to be careful with it. And you can always look up what leverage trading is. But it allows me to trade. Like I have 27,000, so it's almost like a $270,000 account that I'm trading with. Hey Fred, so this is called TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees, low spreads. It is an offshore broker, so you have to use a VPN if you're in the United States. And I do use Proton VPN in order to access that. So right here, Proton VPN. If you use Netherlands or Japan, it is free to use. But if you want like it to be even faster or a choice of other countries, then you have to pay for it. But I'm able to use it for free. If you want to do it on your phone with Proton VPN, as soon as the new year started, it doesn't let me do it for free on my phone. But it's free on my laptop. So. But yeah, this is just it's TradeXN, no trading fees, low spreads. It's like derivative trading. It's not futures or options. But I can trade crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So there's definitely a lot to choose from. So it looks like gold is deciding to go down. So we're gonna watch that too with that last lower low right here. So if it'll break 2021, maybe we'll do a short position instead. Like I said, you can go with the market either way. 5-minute time frame, it is under the 50, right, for the RSI. And then we're still above the PSAR, so it needs to reverse that. And then we'll watch the range bars with it as well. Hey, Fred, you are welcome. Again, if you guys have any other questions, please hit me up. Hey, David Woodlock, what's going on? Welcome to my live. If you guys could hit the follow the likes button, I would appreciate that as well. It does help out my algorithm with TikTok. So I'm always trying to get to like a thank you. I'm trying to get to like 1,000 every day. It does help. All right. So again, it's always really important to leave emotions out of trading. There's always multiple ways that you can do this. You can always eliminate fear by always setting your stop loss. Right, this prevents huge market movements from wiping out your account. I've seen huge candles come in out of nowhere, and if you don't have that stop loss in place, it can really wipe your account, especially if you're using like more than like 1%. So again, it's all about risk management, and that's why I only use 1% because even in a big candle, it's not going to kill my account. And then I always eliminate greed by always putting that take profit in place. So that makes a big difference as well because I know what my goal is by using that take profit. And then I can walk away from the computer as well, and I don't have to worry about what my trades are doing. I already have the take profit in place and the stop loss in place, so I'm protecting my capital. And then I have a goal of where I want to hit, and then I can go do something else if I need to, or I can go look for other trades while it's still going. Hey, David Woodlock, like I said, go to the link in my bio. I have a whole bunch of information in there in the Discord. Future Capital Trading is the name of the Discord. It is free. I'm not charging anything for it. Hey, Bobby Daniels, you lost connection? That sucks. But I have a whole bunch of training videos that I made on how to use TradeXN, how to use the range bars, how to set up stop loss, take profit, put all your different symbols in here that you want to use as well. All that is in the link in my bio. In the Discord link in my bio. So you can go there. I can pull that up here too. The Discord. Where's it at? So like here's all my training videos. Like I said, I put all these together to teach you about this stuff, like using the range bars. There's a really good YouTube video on there. And then I have like this, how to read the indicators, you doing the reversals and pullbacks with the range bars, using your stop loss, take profit marks as well, adding money and taking money off of TradeXN. Because that can be a little bit tricky if you don't know how to really use wallets for crypto. So I've tried to make that as easy as possible too. And then how to put money on, how to install TradeXN on your computer if you want to. Again, you don't have to. You can just stream it off the internet like everything else. Humble Entity shared my live. Hey, thank you very much for sharing my live. I really do appreciate that. Hey, cleaning guy, Robbie Dog, what is going on? Welcome to my live.
Trade up now on BTC USD.
Trade up now on BTC USD. What we got going on here? It looked like that kicked in. So we're in. Oh wait, that's EURUSD. What's that looking for? I wanted to look at ETHUSD. There it is. What was it doing? Cool. Okay. And then gold, right? Gold. What's gold doing? All right, so we're back in profit with EURUSD. We'll see if we end up making that $50 trade. It's kind of been going back and forth. Hey Liam, what is going on again? Welcome to my live. So we're in a trade with EURUSD, looking to see if we can catch anything else right now. It was looking like gold might be starting to head down, but again, the PSAR is on the bottom, so, and it's has a 20 SMA on top, so it's kind of confused on which direction it's going, so we're just leaving that alone for right now. What happened? Okay. And make sure you have that live button going too when you're using the range bars, and make sure you have that audio signal turned on as well. Hey Swigo, what's going on? Boot Cycle, welcome to my live, you guys, and thank you for getting me to 1,000 likes. That's awesome. I do appreciate you for sure. All right, so again, welcome everybody who's just joining my live. I'm here every single day. Please feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow, join the Discord link in my bio. And like I said, this is just derivative trading, right? It's not options or futures. But it does have crypto stocks, forex, or indices, so there's a lot to trade from. So like derivative trading just means that we're just entering a contract with the market to say, for example, in a long position, if the market goes up, then we make money. If a short position, then we make money going down. So again, you can make money going either way. And I don't know anybody that maybe they do funded accounts. I personally don't believe in funded accounts. Because they are, at the end of the day, they're making money off of you, and they have really strict policies on how much you can use, how much you can lose in a day, as well. So they're making millions of dollars off of you guys because they charge you a monthly fee or whatever to use them. So I'm self-funded myself, and I can take the time and practice as well. And there's no outside pressure, so. Hey, Skyward, what's going on? What'd you say? What? No. Oh, if you're talking about funded accounts. Oh, do you use funded accounts? It's just what I've seen is, and if you're doing okay with it, I get it. But I don't want to be under that kind of pressure, right? Of knowing that there's really a limit Of course, I don't want to lose money either, right? That's why I only use 1% of my account, and I'm careful with it. But they're really strict, right, on how they do their stuff. So I don't want to be under pressure. You better make this amount every month or whatever. So I'm definitely cool not doing that. It's just same thing like demo accounts, right? Demo accounts. I don't go for demo accounts either because it's not the same as an active account, because active accounts have commissions and fees and all of that, and that comes out of your capital when you make your trade. So even if you start small and only using like 0.01 in your trades, then you might trade with the pennies or a couple of dollars, but at least you're learning with a live account and understand how those fees work compared to trading with a demo account. So what do you use Apex? I haven't heard of Apex yet. There's no pressure. 50,000 account is $17 a month. Yeah, it's not too bad. What's your Skyward? What's your daily loss limit? I mean, I know there is one. I know some are 2, some are 5,000 or something like that. But see, those guys are making money, basically commission off you no matter what. They're making $17 a month off each person times whatever. So their business, they're definitely making some good money. Whether you guys burn your accounts or not, they're getting paid. So yeah, $2,500 draw. What's your? I'm gonna end up asking you a bunch of questions. What's your? I lost what it was. Oh, your risk. How much do you risk every time? Like I would do 1% risk. Some guys do in 2 to 5, I guess. But depending on that balance, right? 50,000. Was that 5,000 limit, right? But you only get $2,500 draw, so you're using what, less than 1%. An employer makes money off you to 90-10 split. Yeah, of course they do. Yeah, right. They always make money. Everybody gets their money off of you. So I'm trying to protect my capital as much as possible by doing everything myself. Anything that if someone else is helping you with, you're going to pay. I don't care if someone's painting your house or whatever. They get a piece of the pie. So the more I can do on my own, the more money I save. Just like all the things I fixed myself is because I wanted to save money doing it myself. And I've saved thousands because I wasn't paying somebody else. Now, some things I get maybe you can't do on your own. And having a funded account probably helps you. So I get that. Oh, there's no limit on your risk. Well, but your limit is your $2,500, right? That's the most that you can lose in one day. It's like Skyward. You can always join the link in my bio. And join my Discord. We can always talk on the side there as well too. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what's going on here. So gold is doing absolutely nothing. EUR, what's the EUR doing? It's still in a loss right now. Maybe it'll go back up. I don't know. Looks like PSAR is flipping on the 5-minute time frame. So who knows how that's going to play out. But again, I use that stop loss, take profit, and I keep that in place. And just look for other trades in the meantime. So we'll see. But that's why I have my Discord, because if I'm on here talking a lot on one thing for somebody, I'm taking away from other people. And then I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing on here either. So that's what the Discord is for. We have our live room in there where we can share. We can share in our meeting room, where we can do live video and show each other stuff there too. Excuse me. So that's really beneficial too. By using that voice channel. So yeah, again, just, join the link in my bio, and we can always talk there as well.
On ETH USD.
So trade down now on ETH. So that is heading down right now as well. All right, let's see. It's just not a lot of activity going on right now. Hey, Tony, love, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I'm here trading every single day. If you'd like to learn more about the range bars, about using the trading platform here, TradeXN, all that is in the link in my bio. You can check that out as well. Two, if you guys happen to, where am I at? If you guys happen to buy crypto, hold crypto, I have a ledger, the Arculus ledger. I always talk about, because if you have the keys, then you're protecting your capital. If you leave it on a website like Coinbase or Crypto.com or whatever, then you are subject to whatever they're going to do. So if you have the keys, then you're protecting your capital all the time, and all your crypto is not going to go anywhere. So I really do advise that people have some kind of a ledger. I just happen to use Arculus myself. So anyway, that's in the link in my bio in my Discord, and you can always check that out there as well if you want. And then I have a couple of books I always recommend on trading as well, like The Psychology of Trading. One of them is The Disciplined Trader, Developing a Winning Attitude, and then Trading in the Zone is also another one I think is really important to trading. The psychology, I think it really change how you guys think about trading too. So all that kind of stuff is in there just to help people out. Like I said, I don't charge anything for it. All right, so we were back in profit. Man, that thing's just going sideways for EURUSD right now. It's doing absolutely nothing. What's that doing? Ethereum is kind of heading down. Let's see how that plays out. What else can we possibly trade? What about Bitcoin? What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's one of my other big favorites. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it's quiet now. It's just in between that time. Sometimes there's just no, like I said, there's no point in always trading just to trade. So if there's nothing happening, then there's nothing happening. I'm already in that trade, the EURUSD, so I'm letting that one roll out, but we'll see. Hey, D-Hide, what is going on? All right. And I usually do about, when I'm trading, I do about 10 trades at the most a day. You don't want to burn yourself out either, right? If you can actually overtrade, and then you end up losing because you're overtraded, you're tired, your brain's not thinking. So it's good to step away and go do something else. You can always come back later on, but I wouldn't sit down for a long period of time and trade. A couple hours maybe. I do like 1 to 2 hours at a time, and then I'm off doing whatever. So again, that's the nice part about having that stop loss and take profit, is I'm able to put those into place, and then I can get up and walk away from the computer. So again, you guys, welcome to my live. This is we're just trading on TradeXN. Again, the name of the broker. We're using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here. So if you have any questions, definitely hit me up. I'll just be on here probably for just maybe a few more minutes. I'm going to jump off as the market has decided to be dead. Marty Hyde 8. What's going on? P-Stone Music, welcome to my live. Yeah, it looks like EURUSD just isn't doing a whole lot. So I think I'm just going to jump off. I might be on a little bit later on. Maybe the market will get moving. Again, you guys, give me a follow. Join the Discord. As I said, I'm always in my Discord all the time. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up, and I'll definitely get back with you within the day. And we can always talk there as well. So again, we're on TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees. Crypto stocks, forex, and indices. It's just derivative trading. And then we're using the range bars as well. Again, these are free to use. They're in the link in my bio also. You go futurecapitaltrading.net to get them, or again, they're in my link. So you can check those out for free. It just takes your email to sign up. So, all right, you guys, hopefully we can catch some better trades a little bit later on, and we'll see how it goes. So again, y'all have a great night, and I'll talk to y'all later.